Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can set alarms sound tones, how you can set in the Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open, swipe down, you have to just press back, go to settings, go to sound and vibration, swipe down. Here it is default alarm sound. Friends, you can just simply click on it and it will, you can see, you can set these from, and if you have downloaded one in your phone, then click on add alarm and you can apply, you can just set it from here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.